What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video, and that's better. Okay, and as you see, I didn't start at the normal spot. We're at Angelo Speed Tires. Homie Angelo, he's getting some work done, getting some tires. He's getting some tires installed on his wheels and an alignment. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and link up with him, see what's up. But yeah, the car is sitting here nice and dirty. There we go. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, I'm sure you know this car as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the back and see if we can at least take a look at this car being worked on. Alright, so you know I always gotta see what else they got here. Those wheels are clean. I don't know if they lost it or not, but there he is. Look at him. Looking good. All right. She's coming down.
Now she got the right shoe. Now don't be a speed demon because I'm a turtle, okay? Alright. Because he's going to run out and I'm like, bruh.
Slow it down. Looking good. This is so much better. I don't know how many times they would worry about scraping with mine.
I like that a lot.
Then again, it was before I was bagged too. So. That's
yeah, I got shit turned on a lot.
That's nice. That's crazy. Yeah. Should be a lot less issues for you. Yeah. The way it looks and feels. Okay, so this is the one I was trying to show y'all. She clean. Looking good. But yeah, so Angelo was able to get his tires and the alignment done. I think he still needs a little bit more. They want to do change the camber and then realign it. So that's gonna be coming up soon. I'm not exactly sure when, but that's the next plan. Alright, so we about to roll out, grab something to eat real quick. Angelo's about to jump in the car. I think we're gonna be following him, possibly. Looking good. Sucks I can't zoom in. Definitely looking good rolling. Alright, so we are here. Alright, so we are done. Pizza's pretty good. This car definitely looked good when we were driving. You see this side, you got the Wu-Tang taken off. I'm gonna start making some more stickers for him so he can get that back, freshen up. But yeah, parallel parked, looking pretty good. Not really clean, but looking kind of clean. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Let's see. There we go, that's better. But before I actually end it, I do want to do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day is going to be. And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, you know what to do. Just make sure to leave a comment down below, and who knows, we'll get you selected. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.